Recalls his mom's advice about cooking.
This pasta tastes nice, but I think it could use a bit more flavor.
Yeah, maybe just a pinch of salt. Could you pass me the salt, please?
Of course, here you go.
Thanks. Just a little should do the trick.
I always end up under-seasoning when I cook. My mom used to say it's safer to add less than too much.
She's right. You can always add more, but once it's in, you can't take it out. By the way, good luck with your performance tonight.
Thanks, but honestly, I'm so nervous. What if I forget my lines on stage?
Don't worry, Paul. You've rehearsed so much, you'll be amazing.
I hope so. My stomach feels like it's tied in knots.
That's completely normal before a big performance. It just means you care.
True, but this is my first major role. What if something goes wrong?
If anything happens, just keep going. The audience won't even notice. Remember, break a leg.
Thanks, Lucy. You always know how to calm me down.
Besides, the cast is there to support you. You're not alone out there.
That's reassuring. I guess teamwork makes it easier.
Exactly. And once you step on stage, the adrenaline will carry you through.
I really hope so. Maybe I should do some breathing exercises before going on.
Great idea. Deep breaths always help settle nerves.
Thanks again, Lucy. After dinner, I'll run through my lines one last time.
I'll listen if you want. It'll be like a mini rehearsal.
That would be perfect. You're the best.
A perfect holiday plan.
I'm really looking forward to our trip. We'll get to unwind on the beach, and guess what? I found some hiking trails nearby, too.
Hiking? That didn't even cross my mind. I was just picturing swimming and soaking up the sun.
Same here at first. But then I read about these trails, they look incredible. We could explore nature a bit and get some exercise. There are mountain views and even waterfalls.
That actually sounds amazing. How far are the trails from where we're staying?
Only about 20 minutes away. Super easy to get to. I was thinking we could go for a morning hike, then spend the afternoon relaxing by the water.
That sounds like the perfect balance. A morning hike would be such a refreshing way to start the day.
Exactly. And to make it even better, we could pack a picnic and eat by the waterfall or on the beach.
A picnic is a great idea. Let's bring sandwiches, some fruit, and a few drinks to keep us cool.
I'm all in for sandwiches. I'll help make them.
Awesome. We can prep everything the night before so we're ready to go early.
Good thinking. Let's also throw in some chips and cookies, gotta have a little treat after the hike.
Definitely. Maybe we can bring a blanket and a speaker too, for some music while we eat.
Love that. This trip is shaping up to be amazing. I can already picture us sitting by the waterfall, music playing, just soaking it all in.
Me too. I'm so glad we're doing this. It's going to be the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation.
Can't wait. Let's start packing this weekend so we're not rushing last minute.
Deal. I'll make a checklist and we can go over it together. By the way, who told you about this place?
My cousin went there last year. He said it was beautiful and not too crowded.
Nice. How long are we staying?
3 days. We'll arrive Friday morning and leave Sunday evening.
That's perfect. Just enough time to enjoy everything.
The hotel is right near the beach. It has a pool and free breakfast.
Sounds great. How much does the trip cost?
Around $20 each, including the hotel and travel.
That's not bad at all. We'll split the cost, right?
Yes, we'll share everything. I already booked the hotel.
From elevator to office, a new beginning.
Hey, could you hold the elevator for me?
Sure thing, I've got the door.
Thanks a ton. I thought I was going to miss it.
No worries at all. Glad you made it.
Are you heading up or down?
Up. I'm going to the 12th floor.
Same here. It's actually my first day, so I didn't want to be late.
First day? Are you new to the building?
Yeah, I just started my internship this morning.
Oh wow, congratulations. That's exciting.
Thanks. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. I even woke up 2 hours early just to be safe.
That's impressive dedication. Where are you interning?
At Sunset Media.
No kidding, I work there too.
Seriously? What are the odds?
Small world, huh? I'm William, by the way. I'm on the marketing team.
Nice to meet you, William. I'm Claire.
Well, looks like we're officially co-workers. Welcome to the team.
Thanks. That makes me feel a bit more at ease already.
If you ever need help finding your way around or have questions, feel free to ask.
I really appreciate that. I might take you up on it.
Anytime. Let's make sure your first day's a good one.
Discussing charts for the final report.
Hi Justin, could you clarify what exactly I need to do for this task?
Sure. You'll be gathering customer feedback, organizing it into categories, and then writing a summary report. Include some visuals to make it more engaging.
Got it. Could you explain how I should organize the feedback?
Yes, split it into two main groups, feedback from new customers and feedback from returning customers.
Okay, so I'll create 2 sections, one for new customers and one for returning ones.
Exactly. Then, try to identify any recurring themes or patterns within each group.
Understood. Should I include all the feedback or just focus on the key points?
Focus on the main insights. Highlight any major trends or issues that stand out.
That makes sense. What kind of visuals would you like in the report?
A pie chart showing the proportion of new versus returning customers, and a bar chart to display feedback categories like how many people praised the service, mentioned issues, or gave suggestions.
So, the bar chart will show what customers liked, disliked, and suggested?
Exactly. That way, the report will be easy to understand at a glance.
Sounds good. Do you want me to include any quotes or direct comments from customers?
Yes, include a few representative quotes if they're especially insightful or reflect common sentiments.
Got it. Should I format the report in any specific way?
Use clear headings, bullet points for key findings, and keep the tone professional but accessible. You can use our standard report template.
Perfect. I'll get started and share a draft with you by tomorrow.
Great! Let me know if you run into any issues or need feedback along the way.